Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the features that let Xbox update while it appears off. Go to Settings and choose Instant On Power Mode so the console stays network ready. Once done, enable Keep My Console Up to Date and keep my games and apps up to date. This tells the system to download and install patches automatically. Make sure you remain signed in and allow background network access. Otherwise, the console can't fetch updates. These are the essential prerequisites before queuing or verifying any updates. Next, you queue and prioritize the games you want updated. From the console or the Xbox mobile app, go to the Game's Manage menu and check for pending updates. Once you select Update or Schedule, the system will download when idle. If bandwidth or power is limited, prioritize critical titles manually. Because Instant On keeps the network active, the console can download in the background and apply updates when idle. If an update stalls, pause or restart the download through Manage to force a retry. Finally, verify the updates and apply a quick troubleshooting step if needed. You check My Games and Apps updates to confirm each title finished installing. If something isn't updated, sign in, then restart the console so pending installs complete. Make sure Instant On remained enabled and your router stayed online. If downloads won't start, toggle Instant On off then back on, clear persistent storage in settings, or power cycle your router and console. That usually fixes stuck downloads and restores background updating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.